How do you determine the best insulation material for the project? There are 3 basic types of products with a wide variety of R values. Batts are pre-cut sections of insulation designed for easy installation to fill the framing cavities or joists in a wall, floor, or attic. Batts offer a friction fit and come in standard widths and lengths. Since they're pre-cut, batts are easy to install and require very little cleanup. This makes batts the contractor's preference for new construction or home additions where studs or joists are exposed and require insulation to be installed. Each batt has a certified R value to help select the level of thermal protection needed. Rolls are perfect for long runs when you're performing an attic top-off or insulating non-standard cavities that need insulation cut to size, such as knee or sidewalls. Like batts, rolls are manufactured in standard widths, but require the installer to measure and cut to the correct length. Rolls typically cover less square footage due to the smaller package size, making it easier to handle and transport. Rolls tend to be preferred by do-it-yourselfers for smaller projects and also have a certified R value for each product. Batts and rolls are both offered with either a craft paper facing on one side or are unfaced completely. Craft-faced batts serve as a vapor barrier that helps keep moisture from condensing inside the walls, which could lead to rotting or mold. Consult the DOE Climate Zone map for more information. Pro tip: if additional insulation is being installed, never put craft-faced insulation on top of existing craft-faced product. This can cause issues with airflow, moisture management, and lead to mold. When adding additional insulation, it's always a safe bet to select and install unfaced product. A third type of fiberglass insulation is blowing wool, which is also called loose fill. Blowing wool is predominantly installed in open attics for both new and existing buildings. It's very efficient when insulating large spaces or when high R values must be achieved. Blowing wool requires the use of a blowing machine and 2 people to be efficient during installation. One person feeds material into the machine and the other blows the product into the space. Pro tip: when blowing loose fill into a space, start in the corners that are furthest away, working back towards the entry-exit point. Available in the rental department, high-performing commercial-style blowing machines. These machines are essential for installing blowing wool and help customers complete a professional installation quickly. Knauf also offers a machine-free blowing wool called Shake and Rake. This product is offered in a smaller bag that's designed to easily fit through the attic scuttle hole. The smaller bag and coverage are ideal for adding insulation coverage in targeted areas and for single-person projects. Simply measure the amount of insulation to be added, empty the material, and rake it into place. Pro tip: loose fill's thermal protection is based upon the depth of the insulation. For new construction or existing home retrofits, install R-sticks to make sure the proper depth of insulation is added. Loose fill thermal coverage ranges from R13 to R60.